Yeah, peeps, so today I'm there in the backyard. I'm not even talk too loud. Everybody been asking me to make that video. People been asking, so how you make money on YouTube? How much money you make on YouTube? Today, peeps, I'm gonna tell you how much money I make on YouTube. Show you how much my highest paying videos make, how much my lowest paying video make. We're gonna do the comparison. I'm gonna show you a little piece of my backyard. And yeah, so maybe I go further up in the bush. No, nobody here what me I say. This is not something I make people know. The YouTuber not really tell people how much money they make. But me I go tell you today. I could do it. Yes, come. Yes, so I'm going to show you now, because right now I don't have no Wi-Fi down. I'm going to show you how I go about getting Wi-Fi, what part I go make my video them and all of that. Easy me? Yeah, so watch the journey. Yeah, man. Where there I could have walk across this, so. But right now it fence up, you know, so I have to walk through the bushes it, and at night time afraid because the house of them say the auntie they eat. Yeah man. Anyway, we'll go over and come back. I remember so I have to come back and edit the video and all of that too. Yeah man, this is the original track. You see the bush them. Only for bush. At our fall couple them have built it. Yeah man, that's the main road out there. Now if you look, maybe I see the car pass, I'm not sure. But anyway. So them there, them always make nice. So one of them there. Yeah, so this is my friend's house. More time over here, so I come get Wi-Fi. Yeah man. Friend goat. I want a while in body, is it? So that's the main road out there. You see beautiful mountains. When people don't like when I put camera up on them, you know, so that's why I'm not able to make it stay out from the main. The goat. Yeah peeps, so that's the journey we're going to have to take. I'll go back over now. Yeah peeps, so where am I going to start now? Let me see. Alright. Yeah, so how I start the YouTube. You know, as some of my subscribers know, I did a surgery on my eyes. So I did kind of incapacitated for a while. I couldn't go nowhere or nothing. So I always watch YouTube. I always watch movies and funny videos. I always watch Fry Irish and Rapper Crapper. I used to watch So Flow video them still. You see me? But then I say, like, many people say them get paid on YouTube. I say really get paid like, I say I go look into this. Went on YouTube, check out the videos, all of that. I say, yeah, people get paid for true. I say this look hard. Or maybe after they're in the United States or something. But then I say Fry Irish that Jamaica. You know? And yeah, them time that the nigga have about like 40 something thousand subscribers. Is it? I say, alright. Start the channel. And you know, surprisingly, my first video I do on YouTube actually is a video where I say how to make money in Jamaica on YouTube. One of the worst video them still. I see if I can find it and show us. Do you use YouTube? I guess so, and I guess you love it. But are you getting paid while on YouTube? Do you get paid to upload your videos? Do you get paid? You know? Alright, so yeah, I do them video there and I do a little shout out video my favorite subscribers. I mean involve Rapper Crap and you know Matthew Santoro and alux.com and them channel there. Is it? Because I'm favorite channel them there. I involve them channel there and yeah, I do that video there and I say so, oh nobody no contact me. Go back go do some research. I say, oh, I have to sign up with AdSense. Go through the YouTube partnership program. Get signed up with AdSense. And then the waiting begin. Yeah, I watch one video this morning, the youth, Ayat Mani. Him saying wait 3 weeks. Well, it actually take like almost a year to get my letter. You know, to verify my address. I just get verified, channel get monetized. I mark him, I done a wait already to get the subscriber and the watch time. Channel get monetized and yeah, I start make $1 and $2. My channel reach $13. I say, yeah man, this look like it can reach $100 because I have to reach $100 to get payout. Alright. I see me get an email one day. My channel demonetized. Blessings everyone. I can't believe this really happened. You know, I've been making YouTube videos for 11 months. Alright, I'm really thankful for you my subscribers for helping Elite Jamaica to reach to 10,000 subscribers. However, the day that YouTube started to monetize channels, that was I think on Wednesday. That was the day I did not get my channel monetized. Instead, I got a community strike for a video. But they put up on a video. I think I did a video about this. But they put up on a video where like one man and a woman, a Westmoreland fight. I think we're not supposed to see that video though. One video one ladder man, one of the oldest ladder in Jamaica. And the man there with the mother and the daughter, and the mother and the daughter fight over the man and the man go with the daughter. Anyway, YouTube never liked the content. Someone obviously reported it for community violations. And my channel get demonetized. That in 2018 April. I go through me, I say, I'm going to make video because the view count go up and the subscriber them go up. You know, go and make some video. I did not get monetized again. My channel never get back remonetized until July of last year. And at them time them start make back some money. So right now I'm going to show you like, well, my highest views. My video with my highest views. Here goes. This is my video with my highest views. Yeah, I think you know, expect the video with the highest views for make money. But it wasn't monetized. This was one of my first video that got so much views, and then I did just look about the views. So I never did about nothing to it. I leave it. Because the copyright content inside of that video, so it never monetized. And then I did the top 10 athletes that no monetize either. Top 10 Jamaican athletes never got monetized because of some copyrighted pictures of a famous Jamaican footballer living in London or in the UK. Raheem Sterling. People who ask who did that number 3 in another video there. Raheem Sterling that number 3. Yeah, before I go further, there's an exit video. That is one of my good paying videos. This one. Top 5 richest Jamaican females. Yeah, the first copy of this video I did, in less than a day I got over 100,000 views. I mean, I said, what go on? In like 2 days I got a call from, what's her name? I'm not gonna write her name on the screen. I don't remember her name right now. Dorothy McClurkin or something like that. I don't want to use her wrong name because I don't know what she called me again. Anyway, she said that she did not like the idea that her name or her net worth was in her video and the net worth was not correct and all of that. So alright, I'm gonna remove the video. I removed the video, I edited out for part, and because of laziness I put about the video, I did not put back a number. I think a number 3 or a number 4. So peeps, for the top 5 richest Jamaican females, number 5 is Dorothy McClurkin. Dorothy McClurkin, the Jamaican lawyer. Alright, so after that, I do all of that on the video up. Them keep on contact me. I say, well, you have to get in touch with Fabs and those persons because they're the persons who get the net worth from. That's the website where the net worth come from, and it's basically on the website, and you're not contacting those persons. May not have to block them and all that thing. But anyway, as I was saying, this video I did, and I hear the cricket them. If you watch the video and I hear the cricket them in the background and thing, I did that inside of my car. I just got the idea, and I say, you know what, let's see if I can like do the research up quick and just get the video done. So I did this video, the top 5 Jamaican billionaires, and surprisingly the video start climb for a short video, because short videos don't really make money on YouTube. Your video have to be like 10 minutes and longer for you to put in more ads. When it's 10 minutes and over, you can select where you place ads in your video. You can put any amount of ads. But if your video is under 10 minutes, you're only gonna get 2 ads. Alright, so more ads, more money. Ads meaning commercials, them things you see in the video when you watch this video. Like them one where you see in the video. Sometimes them annoying, but my subscribers, please watch the videos. This when you watch the videos, be proud of yourself, because you know what? You make Elite Jamaica make money. You are the ones who put funds in my pocket. So yeah, let me do that now. Anyway, that video it grew, then all of a sudden I started going down. Start do some more video, but the revenue keep on fluctuate. I mean, I don't really know what's going on. At one point I said, alright, I try a long video. So I did, before I tried the long video, I started doing some lives. I started doing some live video, but I never get the proper feedback because camera quality never good and all of that, you know. Then I did this video, the top 15 richest Jamaican billionaires. And that video that show me say longer videos really get more views, longer videos make more money. And that was when I made the most money I ever made on YouTube. This is what it looked like. And that was just the first week. Take a look at what it looked like when I was like 2 days away from getting paid. Now you see, longer videos make more money. Now let me show you now my last 2 YouTube paycheck, because I know now wait for see. So that's not a lot basically, but that's how it go. You know, you put in your hard work, and a Jamaica with it, so like if you make like $500 for each channel, at least you're supposed to find your way through, because there are persons making less, you know, who are working harder. It's hard because, you know, Elite Jamaica persons might think I have a team and all of that, but it's just me. I'm gonna write my script, my voice, my audio, I do my editing and all of that. But I don't like, I know, I kinda, what do I call it now? The praise thing and all of that, the fame, I not like that. So that's one of the reasons why I don't really do videos with my face. I don't really want a lot of persons knowing me. and all of that. You know, YouTube tell you to protect your privacy because after you reach a certain amount of subscribers, there comes a time when people want to really get to know you and all of that. So that's one of the reasons I don't really do live videos anymore, and I don't really put my face in a video. But if you don't want more vlog, gonna make me know, because I will be doing other vlogs. You see it. And if you guys want me to bring you through the walkthrough about how you get signed up on YouTube and all of that, I can do that. Please request it. I'll make a video for that for you guys. And whatever you guys need to know, you can request it. I'll create a video on that topic. Alright. So basically, as some YouTube setup, and yeah, I'm sure you know what I use to make my video them quick. Alright, so the laptop I provides the audio and edit the audio. I export the audio upon the cell phone. The cell phone record the video footage and all of that. The pen and paper for write down like main points and all of that. Simple, put together by KindMaster, as you see on top of the video. That's a free. Well, I actually made a bet with someone that I could do YouTube with my phone, only my cell phone, and still I use my cell phone and make videos, as you notice. KindMaster, and a free app. So once you want to do something, I don't think there's anything that should stop you once you have even half of the resources available. Some people are going to wait for the camera and the pretty light them and all of that. Why have a camera and the pretty lights and all of that, and you didn't prepare to give persons quality content where people can sit down and watch for 10 minutes? You know, might as well get your practice with the phone and all of that, huh? Have a wonderful day, guys. It's been wonderful talking to you. Remember, you can subscribe to Elite Jamaica by clicking the red subscribe button and turn on notifications by clicking the blue bell icon so you never miss any of my updates. I am Alex. Bless. Yeah, I know I like you, that little part. Bless up, peeps. Big up.
To slow the spread of this unprecedented and challenging health pandemic, we urge you near and far to observe the many calls for social distancing. We're doing the same, and we look forward to when next week